Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. The coding functions subsection contains customization options for the motorcycle's factory-fitted auxiliary BMW fog lights or spotlights. To customize the motorcycle's factory-fitted auxiliary lights, click Satellite Body Controller, click Service Functions, click Coding Functions, click Additional Fog Lights. To set the auxiliary lights as available or unavailable for use, click the relevant radio button. To adjust the intensity of the auxiliary lights whenever they are in use, enter the needed intensity value as a percentage out of a possible 100. These radio buttons allow you to choose the method by which the factory-fitted auxiliary lights are activated and deactivated. For simple on-off light activation and deactivation, click Button. To activate and deactivate the lights by using the multi-controller to navigate to an instrument cluster submenu, click Menu. If factory-fitted halogen auxiliary lights have been exchanged for LED auxiliary lights, click the LED option, and vice versa. Choose whether you want the auxiliary lights to be active or inactive whenever the high beam is active by clicking the relevant radio button. To avoid dazzling oncoming traffic, this setting should be enabled if the auxiliary lights are fog lights. To program your settings into the instrumentation display, click Continue.